you making tonight, June?
I'm making homemade chicken nuggets, and right now I'm putting olive oil on the chicken, and yeah, and
They look really good. How did you get them to be so nice and breaded? I gotta do a close-up of that. How did you bread them so pretty?
we put flour on them, and we put eggs mixed with milk on them, and then we put like these breadcrumbs in with a few spices, and we also made potatoes.
Potatoes in the oven right now, don't we?
Yeah.
Well, when you said we, I have to disagree with you because you did almost all the work. You did every one of those chicken nuggets except one.
Yeah, my grandma did this one.
All right, I think the rest of them look better. I can't wait to see what they look like when they come out of the oven.
Yeah.
How do you think they turned out?
I think they turned out really good. They look really nice and crispy.
They do.
As you can see.
Oh my gosh, they really look nice and crispy. All right.
And I am about to try one.
Okay, you should just try one.
They might be a little hot.
Yeah, why don't you put them all on the tray and then you can sample one of them, okay?
Okay.
They're really good. We cooked them for about 20 minutes, didn't we? At about 425.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that made them nicely. We're sure they're cooked.
Some are sticking together, but who
All
cares?
right. They're really pretty. What else are we going to have for dinner?
Let's see, we're gonna have some potatoes, as I already told you, and
I put some zucchini in the oven, which you said you never had before. I think you're going to like it.
all right.
I think they're good enough to try one, June. Why don't you just sample one and tell us how they taste?
Okay, that I will do. A little hot.
A little hot? How's the flavor?
Very crispy,
Good.
and it is very good.
Good. Good job. Dinner tonight, June?
I made this chicken. My grandma made this, and I halfway made this stuff.
Potatoes,
This
I think we call
I
them.
made it for this Miss Katie B,
Uh-huh.
this grandpa,
Yeah.
and me.
Yes.
And my
that's
grandma right there, but
Yeah.
you may not.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so I wish I could send it to you, but sadly I can't.
How was the French fries, Katie?
Good.
Did you try chicken nugget?
Mm-mm.
I bet you'll like it. All right. Way to go.